friends, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, thank you so much for all your wonderful, beautiful comments. You guys are so awesome. I read every single one of them. I also get your emails, and I'm really so happy to really inspire you guys, and I am really excited and super duper grateful that you guys find my videos very helpful, and yeah, so thank you so much for always returning to my channel. So we are starting the Christmas series. I am so excited. The last few days I have been in like that Christmas spirit mood, and so I'm trying to like stay there. I'm trying to stay there. I'm fighting my way to stay in that mood. So we are going to be making these really fun Christmas stockings. I love how these turned out. They're so cute. They're so affordable. They're so easy. And you're going to absolutely die when you find out what we use to create these stockings, okay? But first, let me show you up close what they're going to look like. So we're going to make these beautiful ornaments that you can see here in front of you. They're so beautiful, aren't they? They're gorgeous. And you can actually use these for anything. You can use them for ornaments. You can use them for artwork. You can use them for gift tags. You can use them for embellishments. You can gift this to your pen pal, whatever you want. I mean, whatever your beautiful heart desires, just go for it, okay? So let me show you how I made these beautiful stockings and what I use for them, okay? You're going to go to the Dollar Tree and you're going to find yourself looking for these scrub buddies. Now, these are like scrub pads that you use to wash pots and pans and plates. I'm sure that any other dollar store has them. I personally went to the Dollar Tree, so that's what, you know, where I can guide you, that I know they have this for sure. Now, $1, you get 10 pads in here, different colors. You're going to get pink, you're going to get blue, you're going to get yellow, you're going to get red, and you're going to get green, okay? You have 10 little ornaments to make out of these beautiful bundle of pads, okay? Now, obviously, depending on the size of your ornament, it depends on how many you can make. So, for the sake of the video, I'm going to make a green stockings, okay? Now, you may ask yourself, well, how do I get the shape of the stocking? Very easy. I have here this wood veneer that I got at Michael's. Use any wood veneer that you have that is Christmas related. You can do Christmas balls, you can do a snowman, you can do a reindeer, you can do Santa, you can do whatever you want. You can even do stars, whatever you want. I happen to have this one, and I kind of thought it was a great idea to create stockings, and so that's what I'm using. But use whatever you have. And if you don't have any wood veneers, go online and download, you know, some templates, or you can even use like a sticker as a template. You know, just use your imagination. You're going to basically trace this down to your pad. Let me put you closer to me. Okay. I used a pencil or a pen, whatever you want. I have a pen here. And basically just trace this down your pad. That's all you're going to do. Now, with this pad, you can probably make 2 stockings if the stocking is small enough that it fits side by side, okay? So, here we go. Just trace your object down to your scrub pad. Okay? And once you do that, boom, there's the shape of your stockings, okay? Go and trim it out, cut it out. Don't go crazy fuzzy cutting, okay? Just go with the flow, my loves. Don't get yourself crazy about fuzzy cutting. I know you guys, a few of you beautiful crafty friends have sent me emails about the best way to fuzzy cut. And I'm telling you, the best way to fuzzy cut is go with the flow. Don't get yourself stressed out that it has to be perfect. If it's wonky, don't worry about it. Just have fun creating these projects, okay? This is about having fun. It's about enjoying what you're doing, right? I personally do not craft and be perfect at what I do, because if I do that, then I'm going to drive myself insane. It's not worth going crazy over something that doesn't really matter, right? As you can see, my stocking is not perfect, okay? I'm going to show you in 2 seconds. Okay, boom, there you have it. Now, this stocking is not perfect. It is absolutely wonky. It looked like it been through a lot. But I'm not caring. I don't care about those things. I just want to decorate my stocking, make it look pretty. And, you know, if it's a little bit quirky here and there, it's okay. Don't worry about it. You're beating yourself up for no reason. Okay, we're going to decorate this beautiful stocking. Use whatever you have at home. Buttons, sequins, anything. Use everything that you have at home. I'm going to use my buttons that I have here that are red. I'm also going to use some trim because I really love this red trim, and against the green I think it's going to look beautiful. And I'm also going to use these little diamond wraps that I got also at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my trim, and I'm basically just going to trim my ribbon roughly around here. I'm gonna give it a little bit of more length so I can wrap it around. Okay. All right, so I'm going to hot glue that right there. My hot glue is already. I'm drinking a pina colada, guys, because you know what? Why not? Why not treat myself to a delicious pina colada? Wow, you crafty. Huh? Perfect. Okay. I'm going to hot glue my trim right here. Okay. And the leftovers, I'm going to push it to the back, because I don't want it to unravel. So I'm just going to push it back here. Be very careful you don't burn yourself. This is such a really awesome project to do with your children. If you have like kids and you want to keep them like busy, this would be a great idea to make ornaments with them, right? They will love this idea. And you can just hang the ornament at the, you know, by the Christmas tree, and they will be super excited that they made their own little ornaments. This is a perfect idea for your babies if you have any. Okay, all right, beautiful. There goes the trim, guys. You see that already, how it looks? I love it. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of this trim right over the ribbon, okay? But it's too long and too thick, so I'm going to have to trim this down to roughly, instead of having 3 little rows of as you can see there, 3 little rows of sequins or rhinestones, I'm just going to have 2 rows. And I'm going to hot glue this to the top of my trim. Okay. And then we're going to cut off the extra, which is this one right here. And there you have it. See how cute that looks? Beautiful. Okay, let's glue down the buttons that I have here. So I'm just going to be adding these buttons sporadically, okay? Anywhere, it doesn't really matter. Just sporadically add them to the stocking. I don't have any like really direction on how to do this. Just go with the flow and just go crazy. Really, that should be like my, if I have a sell t-shirts, that'll be my t-shirt. Go crazy. Like, just go crazy. Okay, go crazy. I don't follow rules. If you guys don't know that, if you're new to my channel, I never follow rules, okay? Because rules to me are stressful enough, so I don't need any extra stress in my life. So yeah, I don't follow any type of rules. I don't have any type of specific measurements. Of course, if you follow me, you probably already know that. Okay, there goes the buttons. I love those buttons. They look cute. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some little glittery balls that I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add probably gold right by my buttons, or right in my buttons actually. Just like that. Just sporadically. Okay, one more. And then I'm going to go around and I'm going to be adding the red ones again sporadically around the stocking. If you don't have these little glittery balls, I got these at the Dollar Tree, by the way, and I am super duper obsessed with these little balls. But if you don't have them, you can always use sequins, and I'm going to show you guys what this looks like, because it's very easily missed at the Dollar Tree. If you go and look for them, you might miss them because they're not really something that would call your attention unless you're looking for it, right? So the pack that these little balls come in look like this, in case you're looking for the Dollar Tree, okay? Highly suggest you to grab a few of those. They're awesome to use. Okay, and I think we're done with the little balls. So the last thing I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to add a bow right in this area right here. I already have my bows pre-made for me. I stayed around last night very late and I started making bows. So I'm going to add the bow right in this corner right here. Boom. And then the last thing we're going to do, so if you want to use this as a embellishment, you can. You could keep it like that if you want. You don't have to do anything with it. Just keep it like that. But if you want to use this as an ornament, you would obviously need a little hook so that the ornament can hang from. So what you're going to use is this gold thread that I got at Michael's. You can find this in gold, you can find this in silver, and basically just chop a little piece of this gold thread and just glue it down to the back of your stockings, and that is what's going to create that little loop that you have to hang your ornament from your Christmas tree. Okay, now you can also use twine, you can use yarn. You don't have to necessarily use this particular ribbon, okay, or thread. You can use whatever you have at home. You can even use like small thin ribbons, or here, like these. You can also use these to also hang your ornaments. Okay, and just a little loop. All I gotta do is basically hot glue this to the back of my ornament and I'm done. And that's it. And that is how you create this really fun, affordable ornament that anybody can make. Literally anybody. Okay? And it's super duper easy, super duper affordable, and it's super duper really fun to create. And there you have it. And that's how you create this really fun, adorable embellishment or ornament. All right, my loves, I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these really fun, adorable ornaments. Again, if you don't have the stockings, you can change it and, you know, use whatever else you have at home. Make sure you guys tag me on Instagram if you make them so I can see what they look like. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you back on my channel in a few hours with another video for you. I love you all and have a fantastic weekend. Bye, honeys.